a special happy birthday.
Okay.
The comma Obekia. Fizzles Beauty Bar. A stadium just behind Unity Oil. The same building with Eddie K Boutique.
Okay.
Obekia. We a special request. I free Lamu chief. And I'll say Yamfama the Dofo Obekia. The chocho mucho. Nadia Nina Obekia. So Obekia, happy birthday to you. Yes, so from the entire crew, that's why we show happy birthday.
Now,
what team you are qualified by?
This a you part of the team.
What team to find?
This is going to be 1 year.
I say my mind guys Obekia, but I'm charity. Now I'm saying actually because I'm a miniano. First, now you be in Namisa Biffy. Oh, okay, Andy, young Trussell. Na answer na dia mananisa matisa Real Madrid for so some Tottenham. Na omo ya we say that they live in so to watch home.
Oh, sir ya fa two afiro.
Na ni nyina two no some hu bo omo de
oh ni hu kra.
Ba ko de mo so e pentimamento.
I know the omo ha.
Ya be obi no wa ga ma.
They say ko mo sa some sad neighbor.
Ai mo so many.
They say aboy so. Mo pa na.
Garbe.
Asna mo pe.
Mo ba e betimi agye no ba ise mutu eka.
Yeah, tua mo.
Mo so mi bia some mo discuss.
Na mo point mo be my 1 point mo nya.
Ya de say abom so ye say mu hu de mo de yi. Say why na nyi. Tottenham na ni fie no ko an kro ma so mo ndima de.
Say
Obi. Say Garbe abom so. Tottenham for so mo de ma de bram. Omo say no mo nim say ade ni nye.
Mo butu ba ko nye.
It's almost we dem say.
Regulon de ni afa kama.
Ah, bom so we dem ni we de. To build ya no mo pa mo ni nke betimi age Arsenal. By just some discuss because besu ya mo me iska kraka ono. We say ade na bom so am ze mu dem de. Na mo dum ba wan song you mean.
Ai.
Agwanu ni bobo. Ega so bi ni bobo agwanu bo. So
that's all about university. That's all about university. It's all about university.
Well,
it's also about now
27 years.
27 years.
Let's say Hazard.
I know you 30 years now.
Hazard.
I know the birthday now.
You can't worst transfers of the last 10 years. Hazard count. Hazard count. Last 10 years transfers are. Oma Bokapa Hazard kan.
Eden Hazard any part.
Na Salah ne Kelvin De Bruyne so Chelsea mo ko no so ka ho. Edi Paul Pogba be ka ho.
Paul ka ho.
Na Paul dey ayi.
Paul dey say oh wait kaka.
Dem say omo ja no man call Juve na omo sign dey buy no. It was a wrong decision. Hard dream but ni nyina mu no. Bills or
funny I'm so top chat no. Now Antoine
Griezmann suom. Nicolas Pepe suom.
Nicolas Pepe dey na uyi Hazard on the time. Nicolas Pepe dey uyi Hazard. Na waba. Akwa no unye chocho ubibu ye ni so. Say dia ko we pon. The glass people.
They are not money of Zaha doing command manager.
Zaha crime said
40. And then has a Zaha. Some command, Unai Mirini D. No name say, all bars the win say Nicolas Pepe.
Sign name, Williams and Arsenal, Nibia Bonibia Tiam. And Obama. Say, Vivi say, Kepa, just Vogi or I show something Nanamu, just Nibi and Bonibi. Na oba obechi bobia enkonje okoyiba azo mo nse no o se akware se body bi anyway obi kono ka bedru
okay
ama bedru na yen starting free Hilal for no
okay
Hilal for omo vice
okay
the Twitter page and Twitter handle
okay
so they can no jare de to am yetimi hu if I do ye kanema bi o se omo Hilal no. They're a club with values.
Yeah.
They don't play foul.
Okay.
Omo ko shedan ko ye test. Say omo go change obi test No omo Hilal for no, they don't even know where Kotoko did the test. Like no one selected omo.
Okay.
Kotoko selected Kotoko na ne choose baby ko 2 years ka ko ye the test.
Okay.
Baby Abdul Ejai
first test.
Okay. Na kotoko anya ne ntam nti test results ne buy no. Ebe drew 1 hour before the game. A buy na okay the kotoko say buy ba ko am maybe.
Aye.
And them say how for the year let buy.
Okay.
On be some omo Hilal no me na de kotoko koi. Some go test to her.
Wow.
Omo kotoko na ne ko yo omo test.
Wow.
Eti mako no go nya ne say
Hilal
for na abubuga say o me ni pa frim. No ma ye omo sra omo nyi omo din frim. Na asema o kan say ball no omo ni boche kotoko. Ghana ha go aba be hyew. O say Ghana ha go no so 3. Na no go juni players won test. Say me ni akoni go na Andy o say on test ye say omo ka say Hilal omo so dey yi say kakotoko be show mo ho na tade.
Oh, say mrante ne G per diem. Nti omo G per diem ni we wan hwa na modemo na sesa. Enu ntina nanka wo se ball na basu ni
per diem. No mo ya mo per diem.
Oh, say ni anim say
kakotoko mrante ne gwa omo G per diem of Mauritania de na no bobo Hilal.
Be ka away match no.
O de away match
90 minutes no.
We ni promise omo 80,000.
Aye.
Say no there. O per diem 400 nti we no.
Oh, there be nya sa anka 400 no be hye mrante ni kran say bombe tumi aye bibi wo ho. Nti ball no de ye nya mo no de opanyin ntumi nkasa anka ombe hye.
Oh, there be say kakra ye hu no de. Omo ni boche kotoko. Sa no be to kire. Go ba okurom go abetia. Na okwo e no be so kire say. Ball no boy nya say bia upset me. Now me na on to se munyi omo din frim.
Sab no ende no kre.
Omo say anyom ne so kotoko nsa eko lab ho.
Yeah.
Kotoko ne chusu be na me my concern is this. How did Kotoko use the Ghanaian High Commission? Because
I'm saying Ghana High Commission next step there Ben Sudan or Egypt. Sudan hona nkasa I'm say consulate ni wo.
Egypt na no
cover sa area ho nyina.
But still anyway, I'm sure that there is a Ghanaian community visible.
Absolutely.
The other community use those channels.
Yeah.
No more.
I'm just hopeful, sir, Chairman. In some way, CCC and say relationship Kumasi and Kotoko and El Hilal for no. In Kugo Diaba, a baswell was so soon and actual levels of maturity and all of that. Say the Akuko also in the last 48 hours and now. Say fan say na be me say twam idie ni nyina mu no anopa mi kan say an campaign for ehwe omanim na de asi no anya asi awie no mo concentrate say sia no hwe certif na kotko ne ba behia certif no kra no so hwe ade no kra yi a gomu na El Hilal no kra certif no or a tougher you know inti say
so as a certif no kra ade ja
inti wo de wadwe no koto Hilal for ne omonsam enu nti na me sure say CAF ti obi asem no o tie match commissioner asem ti obi asem no se da bi ade no ball no de kotko anya de obetumi qualify akọ nanim inti say Sudan for no aye omoya say bibi say asi na kotoko de sobo kese bi sei to omo so a no kra o say omo so no omo kasam no omo clear omo na group omo kotomu omo ne TP Mazembe num eba besi akan enko yese South Africa for Mamelodi Sundowns eko Sudan hona omo akohe Sudan for no in a certain way. I'm sure say Sudan is Islamic State nya bibia na obetumi aye ho sa nti and I'm sure say nukredie so baba yenso ya fan the course ho bia no an campaign for so my hu nukre na ewo
well tweet na yiba Abdul Musa de Tro you know say Al Hilal Vice President Al Tahir Yunus speaking to the BBC. I say we don't even know where they carried out the test. It was not done by Al Hilal and the match commissioner knows this. The lab where they did the test was selected by Kotoko.
Wow.
I say he added, Kotoko arrived late and only did the test once. Test results were produced only 1 hour before the match. They couldn't redo the test due to time. They are throwing their failures at us. And he said, I say I quite say for the no adibu for them. Ozomba omzomba ntem eno mo ye test na ayiba hosemba ho no so mom sa koye another test It's the first test na go ba say we and almost test war it just be a negative. And the man go ba say na so many another test near. That is why they were given 24 hours.
Yeah.
So many. It's according to the ono kano. And they say kako ko bedun tama. Come here test now results in the bind. They could have done another test.
Yeah.
Second test.
Yeah.
To ascertain say be obo said the kwampo gudiaba. First test can say positive.
Yeah.
Second test negative.
Yeah.
And only asema okay. Now, kono kwa bedru kotoka. Sesi America said baby aka ho. 4 Kotoko players have tested positive to COVID-19.
Wow.
Ewo Kotoka International Airport.
Wow.
4 Asante Kotoko players are tested positive. And 1 management member, Chum,
Commercial manager,
are tested positive. And team doctor, SK, is that a
expel.
Okay, all right. All right. So we say okay. And also tested positive. Spending a chum officials positive. Now the players, Felix Annan has tested positive. Oh. Habib Mohammed has tested positive. Latif Anabila has tested positive. And Godfred Esiama also tested positive. The 4 players and are tested positive to COVID. Now, baby, assembly here can say, Obi, 3 players, Latif, Habib, Felix. What they change, say Godfred Esiama also the about tested positive.
Yeah.
So these 4 players, no pair the test on your I just say correct.
Yeah.
Which means that the papa king Kakoroko enough time to be a second tester.
And Kakwami Poku be cleared.
Kobe cleared. And Wahab, all those players be cleared a moment to be able to.
Yeah. I heard you.
So say team no move echo amazing hotel. That's why we are gathering. I see hotel, we have an amazing hotel. I want to go on a team to go camp. But Omuja Niben saying, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Omuja Niben saying airport.
Okay.
They will do a second test.
Okay.
So second test, nobody the same positive. Then they will be sent to air isolation center. And as a quarantine, or say the Umbiana, or my news, I always say, 4 Asante players and 2 officials are tested positive at the Kotoka International Airport. Now the danger in this, and the Christian raise a concern. Koroko, if you say a trick, and I'm going for yom. It's your mom in your COVID, a gas when you're COVID no grano. Koroko vans on COVID. So they were not isolated.
So, no, even say our point no a very irrelevant point in the sense so one alcohol test no trick ni for him bra Fabio.
Nobody American say say my bedroom. Unse Senator Adwin ni say and that is what we are made to believe. Say a hilaf one trick bi. Ever so omoka so many COVID say be omuntimi mobile. Enti Koroko players na near so many COVID no by that test. They were in the team camp. Yes. They were not isolated.
Yes.
What you say? Now I'm do Ghana. Omni team ni na flight. And omaba. And omunyina and they say 4 nibansi is tested positive. These 6 people were with the team.
Yes. Yeah. Eating,
dining, talking together, socializing and everything.
Yeah.
And I'm do Ghana.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
It's not going to go team no call. I suggest that also I'm tested the entire if I'm tested the entire team.
I'm tested the entire team. Figures a free Sudani figures all Ghana difference name. Fortunately for us there was no spread.
Good.
But the point they say if Kotoko handled its own test it was Sudan and all the buy say for no na problems be that means no credit be and cost over.
But then test
from what their vice president is saying, no.
Because so, go do hono and omuko pair baby omu
test. And why did they change the story? Hanu there was a board no any Hilal vice president no omu shas yes omu collaborate. Ni who the true story because it looks like there's more to it. Because senior management see packaging story no mugu Hilal for any mercy. Akwa so my boni bi okromo nkofo no so say yanya hwe
because
Yama is telling the truth.
Yama CAF at the end of the say CAF ejai the test of a ejai ma team na obabono. One also kwaya test from a certified a year the WHO standards no.
Okay.
Unse for instance about Ghana ha. Send him some yebo kolebu.
Yeah.
Omo Noguchi.
Yeah.
Out ya say.
Yeah.
Oba Kumasi a. Ode fan say engineer Ghana general. Even Kumasi kwa no. Konfanochi.
Constant.
Tech hospital. South.
South Central
Hospital. Out ya say. Nti say ebi a team mini kotoko na ebe bona go bedu Kumasi a. Eno san team no be find out. Say bia he na ebi omo WHO certify omo. And a Ghana Health Service has certified omo to do the test. Maybe obi a direct omo. What they can do, they say, obi odidi omo ni ma omo ye it's ready for ko o kire ho. Because ko dey so ni mo. Tebia say bus drivers obi a hotel na obi a team na yi na man so omo hia bibia. Mon direct mon kan chen no nye. Eni obi ba ko kire mo ho. Na ma ko ko. Hela for person mo kire say enye hela for na ye test no ma kotoko.
O man kire kotoko kwan.
No mo na kire kotoko kwan. According to Hila Vice President, no say, Omu Hila for Gomu Nimbe Kotoko Koyen. Omu Hona Kotoko by 1 hour before the match. And Omu Kotoko test results the bar Ebro. In the Nano Odo Savozo catch it was in a sealed envelope.
Okay.
Okay, say it was in a sealed envelope. Odo Savozo Sama okay say the hand say I branch the envelope everybody to make a chom say nipa 7 enya COVID.
Okay.
I say no anti asian.
Say nipa no edge more lab ho. They allow.
I don't say on no anti asian. But no. Say Munsa Cardinal 1 hour before the game. Let's say kono kontimi ko second test.
Yeah.
I don't know Hila Vice President Nika say kono na also blame who because ko omo bantem kono go bedru kono go do a day before the game, right?
No.
Like 2 days before the game.
2 days.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 days.
If I could do now, a trying to be them, and I'm bond and easy. So I guess a come do in Tama. Say the test you are supposed to do it 24 hours before the game.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay.
Also in 24 hours before the game. It's a bit go do in Tama. And now, go to go here. Obonya country be or be omonya advance year na say test no so yeah it's a 3 days na ready.
Ko wetu me abobo na wie na.
Kanu kwa come mommo. Won dem chire.
Yeah.
Enti ono ne point say kakotoko ba ntema. Ana omo ye test no, ana results ne ba no mu no. For instance bi omo na no pa before the game. Kakotoko be check commission a second test.
Yeah.
Awe bia military you omo koye ni. Ti I'm wondering say no mo nim say military you wa. First you know mo ko Abdul Hadid you know.
So baby omo coin no mo nye results ni. So I don't know. Until because I said there's more to it. Maybe El Hilal for or more chief supporter be lab no mo coin. I mean, Kotoko were calling into doubt or questioning the competence of the medical facility or initial test. So as it stands now, I was saying Kumasi Asankot command management MIA someone vice president ne kano no kwe se Kotoko na ne ko choose no lab. Inti eba ne say no mo de sobobo El Hilal for ne say o mawura mu aye bibia ensem fata. Eba ne say na I don't know, draw 1 hour before the game. There are too many questions you want and not too many answers you want from the situation. I need to make us a free board level, a free management level. Dear Bruno, El Hilal vice president, Ronnie Kotko board ni ndili ni ehu no kre wom na se besa small bi kra manako Sudan ho amana koye 2-day investigations bi asan bakra na. Because Kotoko Edaso our Confederations Cup nim.
Kotoko can say Hila management member been a handy in a brom.
Okay. Report no.
Ediva Showman.
Yeah.
He say at the end of point say na no dress for say I can say Hila management member been a handy at the end of mom. How minim say Hila management member more lab
and I'm
but minim say mimi ko test baby sana results no me na me test and I say the institution I'm here to so me no also the Bremen.
Yeah.
So what believe what in the it is a Hilal management member being the buy, yeah. And also will bring issues. But the bottom line is that they say the Omo Ganza Kotoko and they choose that lab. Yeah, Hilal for the choose mom. But Nina Komrano. The number they were giving us 7 players. In actual fact, 4 now tested positive in Ghana. 4 now tested positive in Ghana. So amongst 4 no more players now. Omudi PA on.
Yeah.
Emu 4 tested positive okutoka. Enti minim Kodogo so mo pursue ade no. It's here how it will go.
Pursue we there. If as we be any such one.
There be almost pursue. There be say no. Acquire the words of our Hilal officials against the words of Kotoko officials.
No, but the CAF has moved on.
Oh yes.
Yeah, CAF they were in the draw. No, near there. Me sure say till date Kotoko nya reply to mail no mo send you no. I'm sure Kotoko should move on. Situation ABC against Nwadibu ewa ebia to Kotoko away. Inti akwan ben na Kotoko be faswa ni games or ni Algeria foi setif one be bono. Say first leg yeah 14th November. 14 February. Na second leg we so possibly in a week or 2 weeks time no. Some mistakes here cause Sudan insensibium. Na Kotoko betu kwa Algeria. Na masa konya maybe excuse my words or excuse my omenya bear 10 positive cases ebiom Kotoko to be more match no. Ebema CAF asaje goals. Ana waje qualification no ama certif for no eno na wo se Kotoko Kumasi as and company for adwen ho de atwam no enye atwam awie CAF aye ne draw awie El Hilal wo group B oni Mamelodi Sundowns any TP Mazembe no na wo group Kotoko so ba bebo playoff yen said near Kotoko benya results against Algeria and prevent the happenings of Sudan happening again. That was our situation. There are lessons to be learnt. And one here.
The lessons to be learnt say next time Kotoko
contem.
They do their test.
Yes, contem, initial test. Say negatives they report. If there are positives, they report. They should run the test. Make say Kotoko to me call 4 or 3 days earlier. They have space.
Some go through ya no my test.
Yes, some your test.
Results about the next day now when I say we are
absolutely.
Then you have time to
yes, and if you have doubts about the laboratory, you talk to the people in there to find you an authentic laboratory. Nya friend we acquire test na we abeka say lab no mo ye no and now we one will be and sign na we ya anye say na we anye say. And no the anya de obi abegia to.
Well, I don't know what anopa ya presente the full story as Kotoko management put it. How the Al Hilal people are putting it. It's you put the two together. Then we make a judgment. But as Obi said, CAF seem to have moved on. CAF I draw. I might say Al Hilal they're in the same group with Sundowns and TP Mazembe, Baluzad. CAF move on.